Assalamu alaikum and a very warm welcome to you all students. Here Maliha Niaz, your SST teacher, and students. Today we are going to start history section. The first unit of history section is the Ancient Invaders. About 1500 BCE, a new race of people came into the northwest of the subcontinent. This was a large migration. They migrated from southern Russia. These people were called Aryans. A very important question is that who were these people? Which type of these were? Aryans were actually Indo-Europeans and they had been nomads wandering with their flocks of animals. This large group crossed the Hindu Kush mountain and they came in contact with the Indus Valley civilization. These people were aggressive people. Aryans took over most of northern India. They were real forefathers of modern Hindus. These people spoke Sanskrit. They divided their people into four groups: Brahmins, Kshatriyas, Vaishyas, and Shudras. Caste members lived, married, worked with their own groups. A person born into one caste rarely they changed. Let's talk about their occupation. The first at the top were Brahmins, who were priests. They were superior and religious people. The next caste including kings, soldiers, and leaders. These were called Kshatriyas. The third one is Vaishyas. These people were skilled farmers and merchants. They occasionally had leadership position in local villages. Still lower were the ordinary workers, servants, and laborers. They were called Shudras. They were treated as slaves. Different castes were not allowed to mix and no one could move from the caste into which he or she had been born. Aryans had different gods. At first, Aryan worshipped the signs of nature, such as the sun, moon, rivers, fire, and the earth. These slowly changed until they were named gods such as Indra, Krishna, Shiva, and many more. These were Hindu gods of today. Students, I hope you learned a lot from this video about Aryans. I want to assign you a question and you have to write down the answer. And the question is, what impact did the Aryans have on ancient and modern India? If you have any problem, you may ask from here. malihaosama31@gmail.com. Thank you and have a nice day.